Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off pocket mode on Realme C67 device. Pocket mode is designed to prevent accidental touch and interactions when the phone is in a pocket or bag. However, in some cases, pocket mode may be overly sensitive and trigger unintentional actions. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Well, first thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down, and then you can select Smart Control menu. Okay, and then here will be shown two options, and then you can turn it off the second one, Touch Disable. Okay, and then now the pocket mode on your device is successfully disabled or turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off pocket mode on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.